Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to register a trademark, that is brand name, in Telangana. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page Telangana Register a Trademark or brand name. In this page we have given a detailed procedure along with information and instructions which are useful for an applicant to complete this procedure. You can see few external links from this page for completing the procedure. These external link informations and websites are very much important for completing the procedure. You will understand the importance of these websites in due course of our presentation. List of items covered in this session: need to register a trademark, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources, other information. This procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to register a trademark. It protects your hard-earned goodwill and others from cashing on your goodwill in the business. Meaning, if you have a product and you have created a market in your area, and somebody from some other part of the state or the place wanted to sell their product in your name, in your design, then they are taking the advantage of the goodwill you have generated for the years. So in order to protect your name, your brand name, from being used by someone else in similar fashion by some other business firm to generate money, you can avoid them by registering your trademark. And also it gives you a status of a branded product. The exclusive right to the use of the trademark and to obtain relief in respect to infringement, that means misuse by others of the trademark, can be done only when you register your trademark. A trademark or a brand name is a visual symbol which may be a word, signature, name, device, label, numerals, or combination of colors used by one. And also the legal requirement to register a trademark under the Act or the selected trademark should be capable of being represented graphically, that is in the paper form, that is you have to draw and show it to them. It should be capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one undertaking from those of others. It should be used or proposed to be used in relation to the goods or service for the purpose of indicating. Documents required: power of attorney signed by the applicant in case of corporate body, by the director or legal representative of the company, graphical representation of the design, Aadhaar card are the required documents for this procedure. Let us see how to apply. The first step to register a trademark is to specify the category under which you would like to register a trademark. The category means class 1 to 34, which deals with goods, while classes 35 to 45 deals with services. So goods means some manufactured product like biscuits, soap, shampoo, something like that. Services can be a security agency, can be a courier service, something in that line. Word and logo trademarks have to be filled separately. This means that the name of your brand should be filed under class 10 and separately for any graphic presentation, your logo under class 10. You will need to sign a power of attorney to authorize your lawyer to act as your agent. A trademark can be filled in individual capacity, but filing through a trademark lawyer is the norm. The trademark research is optional but allows you to go through the process smoothly, meaning if the same kind of trademark been already registered, you can always save time and also to avoid some complication if you register with the same design. The lawyer will file your trademark application with the trademark office and send you the receipt of application. After a few days, the lawyer will send you the original representation sheet of your trademark as it has been filed with the trademark officer, meaning the exact drawings. Once your trademark is approved, it is published in the trademark journal. Office and contact information of the for this procedure is provided here. We'll see the contact details, like, so this is the contact page of the IPI India nic.in. Let's see in detail. So office location and contact information is provided under this link here. Let us see the link. So this is the office contact links, and you can find the address of your concerned area. So for filing new applications, there are prescribed forms depending on the nature of the application, such as Form TM1, TM2, TM3, TM8, TM51, etc. You could also file online through the following link, which is very easy for you to do nowadays. So this is the page where you can do online registration. So you can do it either with password or with the digital signature. So once you select, it will ask for the username and password. Then you enter the captcha here, say login. If you are a new user, then you have to register first. Then you can do this registration procedure. So registering a new user, you have to have the digital signature manual and signing components, which are almost required for this. Type of applicant, you may be a proprietor, agent, or an attorney. Enter the code and say process to complete this online procedure of getting the login and doing this completion of application. Eligibility: trademarks can be filled either by the company and hence owned by the company and its shareholders, or by the founder and licensed to the company. Validity: the term of registration of trademark is 10 years but may be renewed subject to the payment of prescribed fee in accordance with the provision of the Trademarks Act 1999. An application for renewal of a trademark can be filled within 6 months from the expiry of the last registration of trademark. Fees: rupees 3,500 per trademark per class is charged. Lawyer will charge you 1,000 to 3,000 per trademark as per class. Rupees 500 for trademark search. Processing time: it takes between 18 to 24 months to receive a trademark. Offices and contacts: Intellectual Property India, Bodhik Sampada Bhavan, Mumbai, and the phone number, email ID are provided for a personal verification of certain doubts. Deputy Controller of Patents and Designs, Patent Office, Bodhik Sampada Bhavan, GST Road, Gindi, along with phone number is provided here. And also the link provided below will take you to the contact and help desk pages, which we have seen already. I will show you once again the contact page. So this is how it will be. And online resources, we have seen both the links and the websites. So all the information provided here are very much useful for completing the procedure. So we have provided them at appropriate places for saving your valuable time. Other information: it is advisable to conduct a trademark search for the relevant class before filing the application to register a trademark, in order to make sure that there is no identical or similar trademark already registered or for which an application for registration has been submitted. This is very, very important point, because unnecessarily spending time and again introducing another application is to be avoided. So please do the proper research work. Generally, one has filed an application can use TM, meaning the pending registration. They usually make TM in the corner of the logo with a mark to alert the public of its exclusive claim. The claim may or may not be valid, but the registration symbol "or" may only be used when the mark is registered with the government's approval. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to register a trademark or brand name in Telangana. Thank you.